Hi guys! Tomorrow is the first day of school ni Bentley and Royce. So, andito ako sa Mega Mall to buy them mga lunchbox, yung mga kailangan sa school. Medyo rush na nga to kasi na-busy kami. So, hindi ko na sila sinama. So, lunchbox, ganito. Kasi alam mo kung bakit ganito lang. Kasi mawawala din nila.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Mawawala din nila ang lunchbox na ito. Tingnan natin kung gaano katatagal ang kanilang paggamit. Mas sa dalawa kasi merong mas maingat. So, alamin natin kung sino yung unang makakawala ng mga gamit. Dito tayo sa bahay guys. Ilagay ko na rin lahat ng napamili namin. Tawagin natin yung mga bata kasi Mommy's home! First, our lunch box. Wow! Oh, so green. Ay, sorry.
I want blue!
What? Yun, blue! Ano ba yan? May ganun pa. Wala iba. This one's for you, green. And green is your... Open.
Yay!
Plus?
That's the good thing. I'm gonna open this. If there's an apple here, my button. Wait on, look at this.
Did you like it?
Go, close it. Wait, what?
Okay.
Make it like this. Yes.
Close your eyes.
I know that's the
Ang
one.
next, sige, close your eyes. Here.
What?
Look at it. Oh! Oh my God! Wow!
I'm gonna put some behind.
Okay.
This is perfect for school.
So, kay Royce naman ay...
It's the best deal. What happened to the camera? How about to the pin?
That's a new
Wow!
camera. Cover. The next one is... You can sing! Bad Liar! Bad Liar!
Oh, that's good for Royce. No, that's good for you. That's good for you. That's good for Mommy. He's good. Wait, I'll pick him right here. Mommy, pick my brother, please.
It's yours na, di ba you love to sing? You said you wanna sing.
It's for Royce or it's for both of us?
For both of you, for everybody.
Oh, hey, both of
Everybody, you will vote for the house. Okay, this is for Mommy. This is Mommy's.
No, it's mine.
Okay na? Here. Ito na. Okay, close your eyes. Again. Close your eyes.
Oh, I know it. The pencils. Yes, the pencils.
Okay, game.
Okay, open.
That's hati kayo dyan. You share the new iPad.
Ha!
The new iPad, you share it with Kuya. This is for school. I bought it, a new iPad.
Wait, no. Who's this for?
Sa inyo nga, isa lang binili ni Mami. Share na kayo.
Hindi, what is this for?
The box of this iPad.
Oh. So we share this iPad.
Yes.
Oh, hard.
Oh, what did you say?
Yes.
That's a box.
Mommy, what's the plastic?
Seal a paper. Okay, here.
Pero pwede, we can we also play games here?
Yeah, pero by time lang. 1 hour for you, 1 hour for Roy.
Wait,
Each day.
So we're gonna be in the same school.
Yeah, you have the same school naman talaga. Salasal naman talaga sila, ha?
So we'll be beside my brother.
No, you have different time.
I'm gonna be in a much upper level than him.
Oh, what can you say? That's all.
Thank you!
This is your songbook, Roy. Songbook. Guys, may songbook pa yung platinum.
Give me that thing!
Ayan, yung songbook, oh.
Don't you have the latest one?
So, that's all. So, what can you say? Are you excited for school?
Yes! No!
Excited for school? Morning, guys. Time check. It's 4:45 a.m. So, papasok si Royce today. First day of school. Tapos si Bentley ay online class lang siya. So, si Ruby nagluto na natin ng ulam baon ni Royce. Tapos kumain si Royce. So, yung ulam niya. Royce. Good morning. First day of school. First day of school. Let's go. Pasok ka na sa school. Let's go na. Ayan guys, ito yung magiging problem natin araw-araw. Sila gising. O ayan, tulog pa. Royce, where are you? Let's go to school. Royce, gusto mo sa mama?
1, 2, 3. At magpapatuloy pa ang pagbibilang ng walang katapusan sa buong buhay natin.
Royce, come on, let's go. Royce, halika na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go, Royce.
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na. It's a prank.
Royce, let's go. Royce. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Go na, go na. Dali, dali. Dali, you're gonna dress up pa. Please. Let's go. Come here, huy. Let's go na. Food is ready downstairs. Come on. Food is ready. Sunod na natin sa pagkain. The egg is ready. May sa itlog doon. Teka na, dali. Come here, come here. Ang kulit naman, ang hirap gisingin ni Royce. The teacher is mad na, oh. Kulit yung teacher. Ka na, dali. Let's go. 10, 9, 8. Oh, tapos si Kuya gising na. Teka na. Dali, Mommy will bring you to school. Come here. Come here. Dali. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. Dali. Dali. Oh, yan na. Sugat na si Mami. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Pabangon na din natin siya. Pag-iwang siya. Go down. Dali. Na, dali. Eat now. Please. Eat now. There's a hot dog, nugget, and adobo. Are you excited to go to school? No. Royce. Hello. Are you excited to go to school? Why? Why? It's not gonna be hard. Don't think it that way. If you study and review your lessons, it's not hard, okay? Dali, eat na, maliliit ka. Nuggets, you eat nuggets and hot dog. You have quiz daw. You have a quiz. First day quiz. Why do you love egg? Ayun, talking to Royce. Why do you love egg? Why do you love egg? Hmm? It's? Ha? Ano? Hindi ko naintindihan, no? Philippines? That's why you love egg? Bakit Philippines? Bakit Philippines? Enough na. Puro rice na lang kinakain mo, wala nang ulam. Ay, Royce, you love rice so much? Enough na. I said enough na, wala ka ng ulam, oh. You eat hotdog here, oh. Dress up na. Let's go. Check Royce's school bag. Wow! Spider-Man. Oh, can you, ano? Bring it. Dali, dali. May kain mo sa shabu.
Where?
Ay, wala. Hindi mo makita. Okay, I wanna see you. Ha?
Kind of heavy to be.
Oh, ito mo. Pull up the, ano, string.
Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy.
It's heavy. Ito, pull up. Dali.
I think we're it.
Ha? Sige, dali. Come on, let's go.
Not even pushing.
I-pull it kasi. Pull. Yan. Ready na, no? Sibilis na lang. Bigat pa na. Bigat pa. Siyempre, hindi makakalimutan ang kanyang vitamins. So, anong vitamins ininom mo? Growing. Nasaan? So, your vitamins. What's your vitamins? Wow, Celine and Rowie. Say it.
Celine and Grow.
Sabi mo, Celine and Rowie.
Celine and Grow.
Sabi mo, baka naman. Baka naman.
Mommy.
Yung Celine and Rowie. Ready na si Mommy for today's first day of school. Royce, are you ready na? So guys, as a single mom, eto, gising ka sa umaga.
A few moments later.
Tapos may bis ka, mag-workout ka, hahatid mo sa school. Why are you crying? Are you crying?
Mommy, she wants me to come with you.
This is like your online class. Naku, may iyak na. Ano? What?
I might get lost.
You might get lost in Lasal? I'll bring you to your class.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
But you do know my class.
I know your classroom. We're gonna ask the guard. Don't be so scared, Royce. Ito naman eh. You're not gonna get lost to your school. Iyak na. Yan yung mga everyday struggle ng mga mami. Yan. Grade 1 na kasi siya, guys. Diba? Ang aming after kinder, grade 1 na siya. Ano, let's go. Wait to Kuya na. What will you say to Royce, Kuya? What's your ask to Royce?
Advice. If you get lost, ask the guard to find the LC1. It's the, I don't know what they call him, but he's the person who takes care of the grade 1 students. I'll try to
Alright.
find the ate.
Okay.
LC1. Ask the guard.
Okay. That's all? What else can you say to Royce?
And
Welcome to grade 1.
and be yourself.
Be yourself, Nax. What an advice.
See, tomorrow naman ang kami with you.
Oh, see, tomorrow naman.
Well, face to face with you. Oh, tomorrow kami with you na. Okay? Alright, guys. No crying, ha?
No crying na,
Tomorrow
Royce.
naman. I'll meet you naman tomorrow. Ha? We can go to school together na tomorrow. Okay?
Bye, Kuya.
Bye.
Good luck to your online class. What is to Kuya? What do you say? Nice.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Why are you crying pa? Jesus. Why are you crying? Ano oras na? Ano? 5:46. So, kailangan natin na umalis dito sa bahay ng before 6. Kasi traffic sa loob mismo ng village. So, 5:46 a.m. Hahatid ko si Royce sa school.
Is Tita back there?
No. Ito guys, palagi sila natutulog pag papunta ng school. Nandanap kasi malayo yung biyahe sa bahay namin going to Lasal, mga 1 oras. So, pati ako natutulog. So, pati si Kuya Mark natutulog. Habang nagdadrive. Mark, tulog din siya, guys. So, hindi siya natutulog. Kami lang natutulog, diba? So, pati siya natutulog din. So, magugulat na lang kami na nasa Lasal na kami. So, malapit na kami ating main character. Tulog pa. So, yun. Oh, Royce?
I don't think so.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
Are you scared? Don't be scared. It's gonna be so fun. So you're gonna have fun there. You study hard, be good to your teacher. So guys, nandito kami sa CR kasi tinawag siya ng banyo. Buti na lang nakaabot pa kami. Diyos ko. Kasi ang dami pa namang nakain to. So, dito na kami sa school. Let's go. Where are we? Where are we? Where? In school? So, grade 1 tayo, no? Ah, okay. Picture, no, Polo? This one. Oh, yan. Go ahead. Go straight. No. Diyan pa. Simbahan dyan. Kung naliligaw ka pa sa miss. Ito ata. This way to kinder classroom daw. Grade 1 classroom. Tingnan natin guys kung iiyak siya. Grade 1. Tama po ba yung daan dito? Okay. Say hi to your teacher. Diba? O, grade 1 na. Morning. There's no more people na. Do you know the movie that we watched? The students became zombies.
So big.
Zombies.
There.
Huh?
Where's the there?
Dito, grade 1. Where Kuya's classroom, you go there. Dali. Oo, dun ka. Dun ka na. Excited? What? Why? Why Excited.
I might get lost
Ha?
in this big.
You're not gonna get lost. Nag-aral ka na dito last year eh.
My teacher was always with me. My teacher was always with me.
Your teacher was always with you.
So when it's grade 1, my teacher won't be with me.
Oh, ano naman? You're a big boy na, di ba? You told me you're a big boy. Oh, you're 6 na. Oh. Don't be so scared. Oh, show me your canteen. Dali, show me. Show me your canteen. Your canteen. So, you're gonna... Come on, get your bag, get your bag. Okay, Mark. Get your bag na. Guys, are you excited na? Let's go. Yan, ganyan. Bigat ng bag ah. Let's go. Diba? Ang haba ng nilakad. Nilakad ng buong school. What? Let's go. D. Let's go then. Let's check your name. Section. Look for 1D.
My 1D.
Yeah. Reyes, Royce, Alba, Drawi. You're here. Okay, go na. This is your bedroom. Bye, Royce. Are you okay? Be good. Kiss mommy. Bye. Yun guys, nahatid ko na si Royce sa classroom niya. So, medyo emotional lang, nakakalungkot.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Kasi, ang laki na, grade 1 na siya. Dati baby lang siya, kaya nakalong ko lang. Ngayon, parang gusto niya nang makawala sa mga poder ko. So, parang excited naman siya kanina. So, nakita niya naman sa video na super excited siya. Hindi siya umiyak. So, na-expect ko yung, Mommy! Ganon. Na-expect ko yung, ayaw pa niya humiwalay sa akin. Pero parang gustong-gusto na nilang makawala. So, yun lang. Masakit sa dibdib. And alam ko sa lahat ng parents dyan, yun din yung nararamdaman nila. No? Pag narinig nila sa school yung anak nila, nalulungkot kayo. So, ganun din ako. So, yun lang guys. See you soon. Bye-bye!